have. We're finally going home! Yay! Ayan, so, bababa na kami sa lobby ng inn or hotel na pinuntahan namin or tinuluyan namin. So, we have booked, time check, it's 6:15 in the morning and it's May 28. So, 6:20 yung pick up. Again, I got the service from Klook. Maraming salamat, Klook. And if you wanna also avail of that service, using my code, you will get 5% off discount when you book that service sa Klook. And goodbye, Googies Inn. Ayan, so it's a gloomy morning. And we are waiting for our service. So, ayun. Saglit lang, guys. Hanapin ko lang yung ating service. Saglit lang.
Yun ba yan?
Masaglit. Hey, guys. We're inside our service. Already headed to Terminal 1 of Taiwan Airport. And there was just a little bit of hiccup because of the vehicle details. But we're all good. The good thing is that our driver has texted me. And that's the good thing about getting connected. So either having a eSIM or a local SIM while you're here on your trip. Kasi para makontak kayo na katulad yan, mga drivers, if you have to. We're on our way. Our flight is at 10:30 in the morning. And nakapag-check-in naman na kami din online. So we're just gonna probably once able to check in our only luggage, mag-breakfast, okay, before we head on to the flight. But doing that is, maraming salamat again for staying with us for the entire flight. And balikan ko na lang kayo, okay? And see you soon. So guys, we're here at Terminal 1. Yeah. We're here at Terminal 1 and we are about to alight. We are about to alight our service shuttle. And again, time check right now, it's 7 in the morning. That was a quick trip. And what's amazing is that it took us only around 30-40 minutes travel time via vehicles and the freeway. Pero masaya. And umuulan pa guys sa Mountain Dew. And maraming sasakyan. So anyway, we are gonna go out now. I'll show you the vehicle that we have.
Pupunta tayo ng ganyan push cart. So,
this is careful. Ito yung vehicle natin guys. Ito siya. So it's a Volkswagen van. So they got from Klook. And ayan, book na rin kayo.
thank you. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.
Maupo muna tayo dito. Na? Ayan na, dalawa. Dito na. Sige na. Hey fam, dito na kami sa check-in area ni Mama. Ayun na siya. So, we are waiting for our turn and right now, we're crossing our fingers na walang stress. We got an extra 8 kilogram in our baggage. So, ayun. Anyway, we'll keep you posted guys. After this, it's gonna be immigration. Alright? So, one step at a time. See you.
Punch mo lang siya. Tapos,
Hey fam, we're finally here at the boarding gate and we're at B9. We're at B9 of Taiwan International Airport and story time guys. So for those of you who know me, you know me that I am as much as possible ano ba, an organized person. So kapag ganito mga biyahe guys, gusto ko as much as possible tuloy-tuloy lang from check-in to immigration to security check. Gusto ko tuloy-tuloy. First time ever. So when papasok na kami ni Mama sa departures section, no, bigla akong finlag kasi nung in-scan na yung boarding pass, finlag ako na may problem daw sa luggage ko. So, I had to go down. So, imagine you guys, so from the ground floor where the check-in counters are located, I had to go down and there's no escalator ha. And yung lalakarin niya guys, hindi biro, malayo. So, anyway, what I'm saying is, mataba si PM, as much as possible. Walang lakad guys, just me. But when I got there, apparently may lumabas daw sa scan, may battery pack. So sabi ko, that's impossible. I have my battery pack here in my hand carry. So, or in my bag. Tapos pinakita niya yung image. So wala akong choice, but well, I had to open it either way, no? But turns out, yung pinahiram sa akin na battery pack ni Bunso na Apple na MagSafe, just me guys, andun ko pala nilagay. So, sabi ko kay Mama, first time ever sa dami-dami ng mga binyahe ko, international and domestic. First time na nangyari sa akin yan. But anyway, it happens. And siguro natataon talaga rin sa security. Kasi siguro, hindi ko matanda, I'm trying to recall yung mga past travels natin kung nagpasok ako or nag-check-in ako ng battery pack and hindi naman natawag. So, naniniwala ako na it depends sa mga ground staff, which is good kasi, I mean, they're doing their job per the protocols, right? Pero syempre, bilang isang citizen na hiningal at pinawisan, naghulas-hulas, tapos syempre si Mama nandun nakatayo sa departures sabi niya buti daw hindi siya sinita. Sabi ko hindi ka naman sisitahin kasi anong tawag nito, alam niya na magkasama tayo Tapos anyway, so sa immigration ang bilis namin guys. They have the scanner here where you just have to scan your passport and then they'll take a photo of your face and then you're good. Tapos ang layo lang guys ng na-assign kami sa B9 So the structure is like B9. So it's B1 to 9. B9 is nasa dulo guys. Diyos ko. So pareho kami ni Mujibar na hagad-hagad. Pero sabi ko nga, balik pa tayo. But anyway guys, we're here. We're waiting time check. It's 9:10 in the morning. And our flight is at 10:30. But the boarding time is 9:45. So we still have around 30 minutes to kill. Dito sa my boarding gate area and then before tayo mag-board we are boarding group 2 so pareho kami ni Mother na aisle seat. So yun lang guys, balita ko na lang kay mamaya siguro when we get to Naiya or kapag nasa Grab na kami pa uwi. Okay, yun lang guys, bye bye. Hey fam, finally we've been able to onboard. But time check is 9:54, so not bad. We're on time, and right now more and more passengers are onboarding. So si Mujibar, we're both we both got the aisle seats. And hindi ako kumuha ng seats kasi para pare-pareho lang naman dahil tatlo-tatluhan. So there's no sense in going. But alright, for now, we're just gonna wait until we get to flight and see you in Manila, guys. Okay.